Atongoria ikiro-ini itiganite hamwe na muingi mathiete na mbere kuruta mawoni matiganite iguru ria agreement ya thirikari ya Kenya na thirikari ya Amerika ya gwaka ceceni ya kurigitira raia a Amerika aria magwatitio murimu wa Ebola guku bururi-ini. Seneta wa Makueni Dan Maanzo ni areganite na waki wa ceceni iyo na kuga hakorwo no muhaka yakwo bururi-ini ndiagirirwo ni gwakwo gatagati ga bururi indi agirirwo ni gwakwo muhaka-ini kuria gutari na ugwati kuri muingi.
Baada ya kupeleka Ebola into the middle of the country, and you know dangerous diseases, put it on the borders. Serikali iko na mashamba ya kutosha kwa border za Kenya. Wanda huko ndio mtu sasa kama alikuwa mgeni hapa Kenya akitibiwa anaenda kwao. Lakini hapana safirisha disease all the way from the border to the middle of the country. So that one Mr. President, we say no to Ebola in Kenya. Msilete Ebola hapa. Yuwa wanafunzi, yuwa walimu hapana.
Mubuge murugamiriri wa atumia kaunti-ini ya Makueni hamwe na karani wa bunge yo maugite Kenya ndiagirirwo ni gwitikiria arwaru a murimu uyu gwati akorwo thirikari ya Amerika yo nyene yugite ndigwitikiria raia ao aria marorwite murimu uyu wa Ebola gutonya bururi-ini wa Amerika.
It's a no because we don't have the capacity for the biosecurity. So we are telling Honorable Minister C.S. Ndwale, God has protected us all these years and we cannot allow Kenya to go that road. It's a no.
So the General of State in the US was very categorical and he said that they are not admitting Ebola patients in the US. So who are we to admit them in Kenya? It's as simple as that. It doesn't matter whether it is in Uganda, it doesn't matter whether it's in Tanzania, but we do not want Ebola patients. And I want to thank the High Court. Kwa sababu jana wamefanya kazi nzuri na wakasema sasa no admission of Ebola patients within this country.
Nake mwandiki mukaru ruhonge-ini rwa ukui wa ndege Teresia Mbaika ni ateteire ikinya ria thirikari na kuria a Kenya kunyita mbaru ceceni ino na ati thirikari ni tacukitie makinya ma kuigana ma kugitira muingi wa Kenya kumana na murimu ugwati wa Ebola.
The most important is that we should not see this disease as a disease for those ones, for those other countries. It can still find itself here. We have put measures in all entry points at the PS for Aviation and Aerospace Development. There's a screening at the airport, screenings at our border posts, our border points, any entry so that we also keep our population safe from the disease.
Mbaika tetirithiti ikinya ria Amerika gucagura Kenya ni uira muiganu ati Kenya iri na uhoti wa kung'ethanira na mirimu iria ugwati na ati ceceni ino ndirakwo o uguo gutari mitaratara ya kiwatho na ugitiri wa ugima wa mwiri wa muingi ni urarumirirwo.
So if a facility is being done here in this country, that is confidence even to the other countries that Kenya has all that we need to even help other countries globally and even in our region. So it's a good thing for us, and of course things do not just happen. There are protocols, public health measures. It is not just a dumping place.
Thirikari ya Amerika yugite ni iraraniria na thirikari ya Kenya wetha kihonia thutha wa igoti kurugamia waki wa ceceni ino ya Ebola kambi-ini ya mbiraru ya Laikipia. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mwangi wa Maina.